This video will demonstrate how to export data from PigFlow and import it into Porcitec. First, log into your account on the PigFlow website and navigate to the export section. Select the appropriate barn, date range of interest, and export type, in this case Porcitec. You may also select your preferred date format and the event used for Faro date. Select Download Export. Once the download has completed, launch the Porcitec software, navigate to the Import and Export section, and select Import from Files. Open the file you want to import, select Agritech Excel format file in the Filters list, and click OK. You can see this was completed and 37 records were imported. The last step is to process the events. Navigate to the Animals section and select Process Pending Events. Here you can see the data that you've just imported from the file. If you don't, you may need to close and reopen the Porcitec software. Select Process and Yes to continue. You can see that there are no longer any pending events, and if you haven't received any errors, the process has been completed successfully.